teachers, SDMC members, parents, and my dear friends. Today we have all gathered together to celebrate Indian independence. First, I wish you all a happy Indian Independence Day. First, let us know why we celebrate Independence Day. Today, August 15th of every year, we celebrate Indian independence. On this day, on 1947, our India got independence. Before that, we were under British rule and we were treated as slaves under their rule. First, Britishers came to India for trade. After settling here, they understood there was no unity among our Indians and they started invading and defeating many kings, and at last they captured and settled in our India. Then they used to treat us very badly, so all our Indians, they were very horrified and they became very depressed, so they started fighting for Indian independence under the leadership of many leaders, freedom fighters like Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. So at last, during the fight of Indian independence, they came across many movements like Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha, and so on. So by following so many movements, they also went many times for the prison and they were prisoned for a few years and so on. But later on, by their very gradual and fast and rapid and continuous fight, at last our India got independence on August 15, 1947. So this day we celebrate it very joyfully. It is celebrated in all over India, in schools, colleges, government offices and private offices also, and many buildings. On this day they hoist the flag, they sing national anthem, they make speeches and celebrate sweets to all who gather in celebrating the independence. So I request you, so as we are celebrating this day, I request everybody at least to respect our India, or this day, that is the Indian independence. At least we should follow to be a good and civilized Indian in our further coming days. So saying this, I wish to complete my speech on Indian independence. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you all once again.